Hi there. So this is a video recording for the review team to get production credentials for QuickBooks app that I'm trying to launch. I'm going to share my screen now. Okay, so this is the dev environment that I created that I'm going to use test credentials and the sandbox environment because this is the live um, website for the app, but we don't have production credentials again. So I'm going to send all of these test credentials to the team so that they can run the test. Basically, the app is server run, so there's really not much in the UI. So what happens is now this is an MVP. So before any QuickBooks user can join the MVP, they need to pay £5 just to basically show just to um, take away people that are really not interested in this service and to capture only those that desperately need the service is like an MVP at this stage. So I click here to make a payment, takes them to Stripe securely. I'm going to use my email address. These are test card details that I am going to provide as well. So once they make the payment, it will take them to where they will actually sign up and connect their QuickBooks account. So this is where the QuickBook flow starts from actually. You can get a password quickly. So once you put an email address and a password and you click on connect QuickBooks, then it's going to take them to the QuickBooks, their Intuit account where they're going to sign in and specify which of the accounts that they want to use. So here I'm using a sandbox account. For There it is. So this is the logo of the app. Requesting the account owner to confirm that they want to connect to the app. So they can either do no thanks or click on connect. Okay, so once they connect, the data is going to get pulled on the back end. So there's really nothing that shows up here. Um, because this is an MVP, they have this form that they can use to give feedback to the dev. And then because we are running real-time financial, we are running real-time analytics on the data in the server. It is only when something that is critical that they need to work on, like maybe they are running low on cash, um, they need to maybe possibly do something to help their business. That is when they're going to get an alert here. Now, notice that they provided their email address or a phone number or something. If they select either of those options, the alert automatically goes to either their email address or their phone to notify them. So basically, the UI really doesn't have so much activity going on because the service is really not a dashboard, it's an insights platform. So all of the activity goes on in the server where crunching is happening on the data and then real-time feedback is being sent to the users of the app. Again, this is a Facebook, so this is an MVP. So this is not the whole service at this time. because you're still trying to test market demand. Then they also have the option to disconnect. So once you click on disconnect, let's assume that I'm going to disconnect right now. The QuickBooks account has been disconnected. It automatically calls the revoke endpoint, and they are no longer connected to the app. So this is how it works. I'm going to also provide these credentials for you for the review team to run this test as well. Thank you.